Just a follow-up from yesterday's video about the fan relay not operating on this 86 Trans Am. The fan's working now. I'm going to tell you how I fixed it. Shut this thing off real quick. Okay, so it turns out 85, 86 Camaro IROCs and the Trans Ams have a computer grounded cooling fan relay. This part two to yesterday's video, right here where I was showing where you ground that green wire off the relay and it turns the fan on this car. So did a little research online. Turned out that 87 to 92 IROCs with the dual fans have a switch in the cylinder head, which would be down in there on the passenger side. Now that's a hard place to access. So what I decided to do was took the air cleaner off, and there was already a plug right there in the top of the water pump. So you can see this switch. It's not a sender or a sensor. It's a switch, on-off switch. And that's an adapter that's screwed directly into the water pump because it's a different thread size. So that's the 87 to 92 temp control switch. And I have it wired directly. See the white wire, it switches to green right here. And I'm going to clean this up. But you just saw the fan on. That's a brand new relay. The old relay's still in there. So that's how I'm fixing the fan on this car. And it's done right. Except for the fact that it's a factory switch that turns on at about 220. You could probably get an aftermarket switch if you wanted to lower it to, say, like 180, 195, something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching.